Hello my honeys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited for today's episode of Enchanted Creations. We are going to be working again with our skull candlelight holder mold, and I am doing a custom spell for a beautiful subscriber of mine for the intentions of mental health and healing. So I picked out some botanicals for those intentions and that working and with those energies, and you will be coming on the journey with me to create that custom piece. So if you want to see that, stick around. So I added the last little layer on the bottom. It's nice and shiny and dry. So it is now time to unmold. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh, my dog just started scratching himself, so sorry. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Such a pretty marigold right in there. I think that's called like a pom-pom marigold. I grew it in my Faye garden. So excited to get this beauty glossed up and top coated. I am loving it. You can see all of the elderberries and all the goodies I put under there. You can see them a bit in the skull as well. So you'll be able to see them a lot better once I top coat it, which I will show at the end of this video as well. But what do you think? I love it. This piece has such a beautiful and healing energy. For me, with this intention, I really wanted it to bring a lot of brightness and happiness. So I think the color correspondences and the herbs inside the botanicals really suit that need to bring that brightness and that light and happiness and warmth and peace into your mind and your body and just your environment. So just like any candle spell, when the owner of this beauty burns a candle on top, and here it could be either tea light or you can even use like a pillar type candle as well. But anytime it's burning, you can sit there and meditate on the intentions you are working towards and you want in your life. So I feel like this is a beautiful way to do that without having to take the time and have the time to sit down and do an actual spell. That's a lot more involved. This is a lot more something you can do a lot more often and a lot easier. For me, consistency is key. So working with something that makes it easier and that you're more capable of doing throughout the day and throughout the week with our busy schedules, that much more power and intention can be put into this work. That is that. I hope you love it. I really love the elderberries in there, how they turned out, how they look. They're so pretty. And the calendula too. I can't wait to see what it looks like when we shine them up. So pretty. Let me know what you thought down below. Like I said, I will be doing the top coat, so stick around for that. And be sure to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content and my energy. And I will talk to y'all later. Blessed be. Bye.